What is up, guys? Brittany here with Brit's Hobby Shop, and check this out. This $10 bill right here is over 22 years old. As you can see, the series year right there, 2001. And look at the condition that it is in. So guys, I don't know if you know this or not, but depending on the condition of your dollar bills, you may be able to get some great money for it, more than face value. And so I'm going to show you guys now some $10 bills that look exactly like this that have sold for more than just $10 because of the condition that they're in and also the type of bill that they are. Check it out. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.